The reason why I bought this, because I didn't want to miss out on it, to be honest. When I bought the Squire last week, which I still haven't been able to play yet, it was between that or there was a Slayer Gold Top for 500. I ended up going with the purple, and I knew I bought the wrong one, to be honest. As soon as I got it, I knew I bought the wrong one. I should have bought the Slayer, but when I looked, the Slayer had gone already. So I was pissed off. So I missed out on one there. So it's actually double boxed from PMT. Those of you that saw the unboxing last week with the Squire, you'll notice that it was not double boxed from Anderton's. Now that may be because on the side of the box, on the side of the Squire box sent from Anderton's, it said, if the item inside is damaged, contact the carrier. And that was already printed, I think, onto the box. That wasn't a message from Anderton. So it just made me wonder if Squire have got some kind of white glove service, maybe, I don't know, that they don't need the double boxing. Yeah, that was all I could think about. What Anderton's do, maybe. Let's get this out and stop the rambling. Ooh. Feels like Christmas. I thought I would buy myself a few gifts before it got cancelled. No, the reason why I bought this is because I've never owned a Gibson, and this is not a Gibson. For some while I've been like keeping my eyes open for the right type of Japanese maybe copy from the late 70s, 80s. Something like a Greco, you know, something, or a Yamaha, maybe like an SG, something like that. I think they're probably about as close as you would get, I think, to a real Gibson, and be able to save money on buying a new Gibson for sure. But this one here, the fact that they're working in collaboration with Gibson Custom Shop and they come shipped with Gibson pickups, that kind of told me that maybe I should grab one of these. There's one at the back, is there? Alrighty. Whoa, that's pink, isn't it? Here we are. I'm going to start moving this camera around, and we're going to start here. You're seeing exactly what I'm seeing. Oh God, the cat's back in. She's just come in. Get out of there. Boy, this is the cat inspection. What? What? Let's start at the back. At the back there we have limited edition since 1873. Shows you how old they are, really, doesn't it? Quickly turn it over. You can probably read that. 1959 Les Paul standard outfit. The upgrades that this come with, like I said, it's got the switchcraft. See how that feels. There's other upgrades in the electronics. That's not real flame. From what I understand, it's a veneer on top of a real maple cap, which is on top of mahogany. Clearly it's a two-piece. There'd be no reason for them to put a veneer on the back there, would there? Hold on, what's that? I feel something there. It's gone now, wherever it was. Yeah. Weight-wise, it's lighter than my Telecaster, which is a good thing. For that neck, it's chunky. It feels like it's chunkier, and I usually prefer a thinner neck. So we'll see how I get on with this. Let's have a look, see if there's any candy in there. Talking of candy, I'm going to spray a guitar soon. What's this? Whoa. Guarantees. It's guaranteed that it was made in China. It says it right there. So there's the key for the case. Yeah, you got a sticker. Yay. I like stickers. Phone. I'm going to put that in my little collection of stickers. This instrument is guaranteed, blah 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 blah, but there's nothing about it being a special edition. That would have been nice, you know. Look, this is the special limited edition, blah 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 blah. Okay, well, here's some things that I'm noticing right now, right? Based on some other unboxings that I've seen on YouTube of the same guitar. I've seen them come right out of the cardboard box with none of this candy. No sticker, no things like that. I've also seen them come with the switch tip not on there but in the bag, which I think is more normal on a new guitar. So that's just a few differences I'm noticing right away. I don't know if I like that pink. I'm glad it stayed closed. Case is kind of like, I think it's going to be adequate, although I don't see me carrying it in many places. I'm not going to plug it in on camera right now. I just wanted to get it open, show you that I bought another guitar because I didn't want to miss out. After I missed out on the Saya Gold Top last week because the purple sparkly Telecaster. I'm waiting on some vintage size tuners to arrive, and I'm working on that nut that I told you about. So until that's done, I can't really play it.